Hi everybody, welcome back to Californication. Today we are looking at camping chairs. It's always really important to be comfortable when you go camping. So we are trying out two new camping chairs. One, the Trail Cardinal, two, the Trail Rock. Two very similar but very different chairs. So yeah, this is the Cardinal reclining chair. It's 95 length by 25 by about 21 approximately. So it's quite a long bit of kit. So when you're going to be storing it in maybe a camper van, I can't quite fit it in the back, so it has to go in the middle bit. So for a caravan, camper van that's a slightly bigger version, this will fit in absolutely fine. Let's take it out of the bag. So you've got a really good sturdy bag with your carry handle on it there. And it's nice and easy. The bag's decent size, so it comes out nice and easy as well. Just toss that aside. So this is, as I mentioned, the Cardinal reclining chair, and it's got three positions on it. So we're just going to lock this in place. It's got nice sturdy connections on it here, and we need to do is get this first of all the way back that way, and then we just need to push this bit forward and then lock it in place once we've got that all the way to the front. So it's nice and solid, just like that. That's it, and easy as that, nice and quick. Okay, so this is the Cardinal out, ready to go. Dog likes it, obviously. Let's see how comfortable it is, shall we? It is a comfortable chair. And the good thing about this, it's got a really high back on it, which makes it even better, even when you recline it. And it's got the free reclining stages as well, which you have to lean back on. So there's 1, 2, and then 3. And you can really chill out in this. It's like really, really comfortable. It's about 57 wide apparently. So you've got quite a lot of width in this chair. So if there is a bigger person, this will be a perfect chair. As I say, super comfy. It's got this powder coated material here, so it's going to last a long time as well. And it's about 6 kilograms as well, about weight. So it's a really nice bit of kit. Also, it has a nice little cup holder on it, and it feels like it's insulated. So if you put a drink in there, it's going to stay nice and cold. So let's unbag this Trail Rock folding chair. Let's say it's about 102 long, so it's pretty long. Again, in the camper van, it will fit sort of lengthwise in the T7, but then when it goes in the back, it's probably a little bit too big to go in there. But so bigger vans, caravans, and other things like that, it's probably going to fit in. Weighs about 7 kilograms. Comes in a nice sturdy bag. Let's just take this out. And this is the one that's got the slight feature. It's also got a zip on this one because it's slightly bigger. Let's put that out of the way. And as quick as this, it should just open up, just like that. There we go. Now, the little feature that we like about this one is it's a rocking chair, and it does rock quite far. So when I saw this online, I thought, I wonder what that feature's like. And actually, it's quite good, because when you sat there around a campsite or wherever you want to go, you can sit there rocking away, looking like a lunatic when your kids are driving you nuts. But yeah, it's a really nice chair. Again, we've got a nice little drinks cup holder on this one as well. It's not like on the other chair, which has got the fully insulated one, but it's just as good. Why not? You're going to be sat here chilling, you're going to be rocking in this one. So yeah, great looking chair. Great, nice bit of kit, this one. Really sturdy. I don't think it's as wide as the Cardinal, but it is a perfect chair for sitting there, rocking and just chilling out in the sunshine. So this, just got this out, never opened this before. This is the Trail Roll top table. It comes in a nice bag, and I'm hoping, instructions, do we need them? No, we don't need those, do we? We never bother with instructions, but we're gonna open it up and see how easy it is. So far, that was easy. Comes with a 2-side compartment sort of bag. So I'm hoping this just slots in. Let's give it a go. Not sure what they are, we'll work that out in a minute. It'll be quite similar to my other system I've got, but we're just going to fit this in. I might need the instructions. We have a little look. Let's concede slightly. It's got like 4 pictures to it, so we can just check that. Yeah, it looks like it goes in relatively easy. So we're just going to stick these little edges in here, which I presume literally just clip in to there and to there, and then again this side. Let's stick it upside down, shall we? We're going to tie this again. We're going to pause and come back to it and put these in first. So these little rods, you get it to this point, and then what we're going to do is you stick these in, because what this then does is stops it from moving once it's there. So don't forget these little rods. Stick them in. There's little holes in them as well, which gives them a bit of like a sort of positioning point. And then once they break your finger off like that, once they clip in like that and that. We then take this and we put it the right way around. Clip that one in. You'll hear that nice click. This is then going to make this table nice and solid. That one in there, that one in there. And what we're going to do is going to turn this upside down again, just so it's easier. That's it, one in there, one in there. Now we have a solid table. And that was really, really quick. So it's a low level table, so this is brilliant for when you're sat near your chairs and you've just got something for like a little drinks table. So great bit of kit, weighs about 2 kilograms and folds down to the tiniest little bag this size. Let's give you some dimensions quickly because I've completely forgotten what they are. So yeah, 39.5 by 47 by 57. So it is really, really small. So that's nice and easy, especially in a camper van. Great for taking out on days out or when you go away on a camping trip. If you're one for relaxing in the sun, then I'll definitely recommend the Cardinal. If you want to have that rocking action, go with the Trail Rock. It's pretty cool and really nice to sit in and chill out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you on the next one.